Hi friends, it's Becky, and I'm going to be opening up the May Potomac Beads Treasure Edition with y'all and sorting them into my 15 grid organizer. This is a bead subscription. It is a monthly bead subscription, and Potomac Beads has two bead subscriptions. One is their kit box and one is their treasure box, and this is the treasure box. I also subscribe to the kit box because I love Potomac Beads kits. They come with everything that you need to make 3 different projects, and the projects come with instructions, they come with a video. It's pretty well worth it in my opinion for those kits. But the treasure box is one that doesn't come with a specific project. It lets you create your own designs, exercise your creativity to make from that box, and I love that for that. So I'm going to be opening up this box. It's a fantastic box, by the way. The only reason I don't keep it in this box is because I need to be able to see my beads when I'm beading, so I put it in this this organizer. But the boxes are well worth keeping as well because I actually use them to store like art supplies or, you know, thread or something like that. They're good boxes. All right, let me open this up and we'll see what is inside of here. Okay, so this treasure box, the theme is Whispers of Antiquity. Step into a realm of timeless elegance and vintage charm with this month's treasure box. Each bead embodies the artistry and charisma of the past, pale soft color accents, smoky gray and black, ooh, nice that, like a colorized tintype. Blue and pink evoke timeless grace, while mauve whispers refinement. This sounds like it's going to have like some maybe Art Deco feel to it. I kind of really love that. And then we've got a little list on the other side of everything that's in here. So let's pull this out. Usually when we get this, we also sometimes get a tool. And it looks like we've got some sorting trays. There are 5 trays in here. That's pretty useful. Let's pull all these other guys out of here. And then we can go through them while I get them sorted into my organizer. That is a huge handful of beads there. All right. Let's start with some of these larger amounts of beads. Get them sorted in here. Like we've also got some seed beads. These look like they're 8/0 seed beads. Light topaz, root beer lined. That's fun. I really like the colors. All right, so we've got some bicone beads. These are 6mm check glass bicones. I love the shape of check glass bicones, by the way. It's one of my favorite shapes of beads. And that is what they look like there. And then get them sorted into one of these sections. This would be lovely. And then we've got some gray tones here. Check Daisy, and that is a black diamond color. And they are 4x8mm. I'm going to pull out my dish so we can get a close-up of both the color and the shape on these. It looks like the hole on this goes right through the center of these daisy beads. All right, and now we've got some round trios. These are fun. You may have seen round duos, which are 2-hole beads. These are 3-hole beads. We've got 50 of them. They're 6mm in size. Let me just grab a little piece of wire or a needle. Aha, I got a little needle right here. So I can show you the little holes. You've got 1 hole on one side, you've got 1 hole down the middle, and then you've got 1 hole on the other side. These are going to be really fun. I don't think I've used these in any designs yet. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge, but that's a really gorgeous color. Look at that color. It's like multiple colors of like lilacs and some rosy colors. It's the white iris is the name of the color on that. All right, and we've got some Potomac Pearls. I love Potomac Pearls. They're some of the best glass pearls out there. They've got really fantastic coating. And they work really well with so many designs. This is loose enough on its strand that it's going to curl up really nicely. So I'm just going to stick it right in here, because leaving it on the strand may make it easier to work with when I go to do designs with it. There we go. For those Potomac Pearls. And the color on that was baby pink. So you can see it's like just a rosier side of ivory. And then we've got some chili beads. These are 2-hole beads and they are white colored. Oh my goodness. I bet these, will the holes match up with some of these round trios? I'm just playing around a little bit with these beads to see how they might fit together, because that's, you know, figuring out how like multi-hole beads can fit together is kind of the fun part about bead weaving, is, you know, puzzling things together, working out how they fit. There are a lot of multi-hole beads in this box. I'm really excited about that. So again, that's chili beads in white. Here's some more multi-hole beads, and these are iris duos. So they are this iris shape, and then they have the 2 holes in them. And this one is ancient gold, so it's got lots of different metallic colors. I'm leaving one of these guys, a couple of these guys behind. There we go. So let's get all these other colors up here so you can see them. And I'm just gonna grab one of these guys so you can see how the hole goes through it. It goes through the short side of this iris shape. And there's 2 holes for that. So I'm gonna put these guys right over here next to the round trios. We're gonna have some challenges and some fun designing with these, I think. And then we've got some crust beads. They're mauve. And it's got an English cut, but they have this really cool kind of a matte finish on them. It's got a really, really cool texture. And these are, I'm guessing, about, is it 10 millimeters? Feels like it's 10 millimeters. Right, and then we've, oh, these are 10 millimeters. Let's just compare. These are faceted rounds. They are crystal AB. They're clear and they've got that AB finish. So these might be 12 millimeter. I don't know. I'm going to stick my clear guys up there. And then we've got some 4 millimeter faceted rounds. And these are Rosaline color. And it looks like we've got, like, what is this, about 15 of these, maybe 20? So we have a few of those. And then we've got these blue and purple cathedral beads, and we've got 5 of them. That blue is kind of see-through. Blurple. Gonna stick that there. Then we've got some micro-faceted seamless mirror rounds. So we've got some disco balls. They're 8 millimeter with pure silver plating. That is really cool, actually. Put those there. And we've got some lever back ear wires with a crystal setting. They are silver plated, 18 millimeters. So you can put a crystal. What size of crystal? 4.5 millimeter. Is that what size these Chatons are? Because we also get some Chatons. We may be setting Chatons into these earrings. We've got 4 sets of earring things, and we've got 2 Chatons. And Chatons have that pointed back and then that diamondy cut on the front. I'm going to stick these back in there because they're very tiny and I don't want them to get lost in here. But also I'm going to stick them right here with the ear wires so that I know that they go together. And, or maybe they'll just go next to it. I think we only have 2 more bags to open. So now we've got these Deco Diamond beads, and they are like different designs on each one. That is so cool. They're like kind of a purpley color. I don't know if you can see the color of the glass there. But they have these like the laser etched designs on the outside of them. And then the hole goes from one point to the other point, so they will sit like diamonds, not like squares when you're actually designing with them. So let's get these guys in here. And these are 7 millimeter. They are lilac colored, and they're more check faceted round. So these are more fire polish check glass beads. It looks like we've got some shiny finish on them as well. All right, so here we have the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition for May of 2024. This should be pretty fun to design with. All right, I'll put a link in the description if you want to check that out. And also, when they do the unboxing, they usually do a little bit of designing with that too. So I'll put a link to their official unboxing video as well. And hopefully we'll be able to make some really fun things with this month. Bye.